The time now, 6:39. Let's take another look outside, but this time this is the St. Mark's Lighthouse, courtesy of the Weather Stem camera there, and looks nice out there as well.
Really does. Kind of makes you want to just go, grab a cup of coffee and head to the coast.
Yeah, with a jacket.
And a jacket.
Though. Yeah, a cup of coffee and a jacket.
Yeah, so Rob, we're going to warm up a lot though before the day is over, right?
I think we get to 70 today, and I think we're going to see those temperatures climb into the 70s over the next few days. So we've got a lot of really nice, I call it bonus weather. You know, we expect temperatures to get 5-10 degrees warmer than normal. Typical highs this time of year only supposed to be like 67 or 68 degrees. If we expect by this weekend to see 75, 76, 77, now we're talking straight up bonus weather, super comfortable and super nice out there. I do think tomorrow morning it still gets cool, but not as cold as this morning, and today's not as cold as it was yesterday morning, so that little warming trend is starting, and it's going to be on both sides of the day. Off to the north, there is some energy, but that energy is going to have a tough time making any kind of progress south because we've got a big wall of high pressure that is going to be our big weather player for the next several days. It's 35 this morning in Tallahassee, 36 in Thomasville and in Valdosta. So yeah, it's cold out there for sure. We've got a couple of spots even colder. Perry's at 34, Live Oak's at 34, Cross City's at 34. Up in Dothan, Alabama, it's 44. We usually don't see it that way, but that's because there's a little bit of cloud cover off to our north and west, and the skies are a little bit more clear to the south and east. Most of us mid-30s, likely not going to see the temperatures move all that much until they start warming up after 8 o'clock. And I think by lunchtime we're in the 60s and highs today, a pretty good shot to get up over 70. Not breezy and not expected to be. Higher pressure is going to be our big weather player for another couple of days. And as long as it stays along the Gulf Coast like I think that it will, we keep those skies mostly clear. We keep all of the energy off to our north. And if you are looking for the rain, here's the one issue with our forecast. I don't see any chances to get wet anytime soon. Futurecast wants to maybe bring a few clouds through the area at times, so maybe not all the time sunny, but I think we're looking at mostly clear from start to finish for the next several days. And out on the Gulf, everything stays pretty quiet, pretty calm, a pretty good setup for the boaters. Winds out of the southeast, 3 to 12, seas 2 feet or less. That's some pretty good boating conditions right there. The last of the low tides will finish before 8 this morning, then we'll switch back to high tides around lunchtime. 30s for most of us, clear, cold, sun officially up at 7:17. I think it's the low 70s today, like 71, 72, just up over 70. But after today, we'll watch those temperatures climb even higher. Tonight, it will still get cold. And once that sun sets 5:36, by 6:30, it's going to feel kind of chilly out there. But it won't be as cold tomorrow morning as it is this morning. And notice what happens with those temperatures. Both sides of the day, those numbers start to perk up a little bit. I think we could be into the middle and upper 70s Friday and this weekend. Morning temperatures near 50. You know I love that 50-80 split. Hey, I'll take 50 and 77 any time of the year, but especially the first weekend of December when normal temperatures should be like mid-40s and mid-60s. That is 100% bonus weather, and I think we get it all weekend long.